video, we're going to be talking about set builder notation. So this is just another way that we can write an interval or represent a set of numbers. And so set builder notation is a mathematical notation used to describe the properties of the elements in a set. And it looks something like this, where we have these curly brackets and all of these letters and a property in here. And so it looks a little bit confusing, but this is how you should be reading it. The curly brackets, you should read that as the set of. That first x you should read as all numbers x. That line there should be read as such that. And then here it's just going to be whatever those properties are. So in this case, it's going to be x is greater than a. So all in all, when I'm reading that as a full sentence, this notation says the set of all numbers x such that x is greater than a. So in this set, we're only looking at numbers that are bigger than a. So let's practice going ahead and translating between methods of set notation. So I'm going to rewrite each set in the indicated notation. For number 1, I want to rewrite this in set builder notation. It says the set of all numbers x such that x is greater than or equal to 3. So now I'm going to have curly braces. And it says the set of all numbers x, so I have x, such that, that's going to be my straight line. And it says my property is x is greater than or equal to 3. So writing that as an inequality, that's going to be x is greater than or equal to 3. And there it is in set builder notation. Okay, looking at this next one, I'm going to rewrite this in set builder notation as well. Here I have an interval between 4 and 7. I notice that 4 is not included and 7 is. And so that means when I'm looking at this in terms of inequalities, this open circle is going to be an inequality without a line underneath where the 7 includes it. So if I'm writing this out, it's going to be a set of all x such that, here I have a compound inequality. We'll talk about that more later on. But to write this as an inequality, I have 4 is less than x, which is less than or equal to 7. Okay, number 3, I want to rewrite this one in words. And so I have this in set builder notation. And so following what we have up here in the circle or oval, this is going to be the set of all x such that, and I see the property in here is x is less than negative 7. Okay, last one. I want to write this in set builder notation. And so this time it's an interval notation, and I see I have a square bracket 99 comma to infinity. And so thinking of terms of what that looks like written as an inequality, I know I'm going from all numbers bigger than 99, and since this is a square bracket, I am including the negative, I'm including 99. So writing that as an inequality, this would be x is greater than or equal to 99. But now I want to rewrite that in set builder notation. So rewriting that in set builder notation, that's going to mean it's going to be x such that x is greater than or equal to 99.